Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to fix Windows 10 update error 0x80070005. As you can see on my screen, when I am trying to update Windows 10, I am getting error. There was some problems installing updates, but we will try again later. If you keep seeing this and want to search the web or contact support for information, this may help. And here you will find this one error code 0x80070005. Here error code is important. In case you are getting this one error, you can troubleshoot through only two methods and hopefully it will works. First one method is through settings app. For that, click on this one start button at the taskbar and then click on this one settings option. Under Windows 10 settings, click on this one update and security. In the next screen, in the left sidebar, click on this one troubleshoot tile. On the right, under troubleshoot page, click on this one additional troubleshooters. Under additional troubleshooters, you will find this one Windows update. Click on this one. Now click on run the troubleshooter button under Windows update to troubleshoot Windows update. In case any issue will be detected by your Windows 10 PC, it will be fixed automatically. It will try to fix automatically and it may take a few minutes also. In case Windows troubleshooter could not identify the problem, just close this window, close this one settings app. After that, navigate to this one Sordom website. I will put this one link in this one video description. Now scroll down to the bottom and click on this one download button to download this one application. I have already downloaded it. After downloading, you will find WUB version 1.8, this one zip file. Just right click on this one zip file and select here extract all option, this, and then click on this one extract button. This will extract all the contents in a folder with same name WUB. Now open this one folder and you will find here two application WUB and WUB x64. You need to run the application according to your operating system. In case you don't know which version, I mean x64 or 32-bit OS is installed, Windows 10 installed on your PC. In case you don't know, it is very simple. Click on this one start menu or button again, then click on this one settings. Under Windows settings, click on this one system. Under system, scroll down to the bottom and click on this one about. On the right, under device specifications, you will see system type. Here you will find x64 or x64 or x86. In case you see here x64 or 64-bit operating system, that means your operating system is 64-bit. And in case you find here 32 or x86, then your Windows 10 is 32-bit. For my case, it is 64-bit operating system, so I will run this one 64-bit app. For this, select this one app and then right click on it, and in the pop-up select this one run as administrator option. In case Windows prompts, click on this one yes button. Now choose here enable updates option. After that, click on this one apply now button. You will see here service station Service status is green. That means now Windows Update should work. Again, you can try. Click on this one start button and click settings to check the update. After that, click on this one update and security and select here Windows Update on the right. Again, click on this one retry button and hopefully your Windows 10 update error should be fixed. And now Windows will check for updates, and in case any update is available for your Windows 10, it will automatically download and install according to your Windows 10 configuration. That's all about this video. Bye.